Hello, welcome to kitchen. It's really hot summer this year. Do you remember Korean winter street food using red bean paste? Today I'm going to introduce popular summer Korean dessert using red bean paste again. When you walk on the street in summer, in Korea, you can see this kind of ad outside of the bakery or cafe. This is a popular summer dessert we call bingsu or patbingsu. This is the classic one. Sweet red bean paste on top, and you can decorate with sticky rice cake and sometimes ice cream too. You can see simple version of toppings from the supermarket. There are other kinds of bingsu, as you can see, but most popular one is still classic one with red bean paste. Even if you don't like red bean paste, you can just make your own bingsu using fruit and other ingredients on top of the shaved ice. You can buy red bean paste from the supermarket like this, but frankly speaking, it's a bit sweet for me, so I'm going to make my own red bean paste and then homemade patbingsu today. If you like a sweet red bean paste, I recommend to try to make this. Even if you don't like, I'm pretty sure you will get some ideas for making your own version of bingsu. Red bean is quite solid grain, so need to be soaked quite a long time, but sometimes overnight. This time I'm going to soak this several hours. There are people who use pressure cooker to shorten the cooking time, but somehow I like the old style. Well, I think it's done. Just rinse and drain the water. Well, still solid. The first thing you need to do is to get rid of the kind of bitter taste from the red bean. Pour enough water and boil for 10 minutes. That will do. After 10 minutes boiling, drain the water. Pour the drained red bean in the pot and add cold water. Then boil roughly 30 or 40 minutes with medium-high heat. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt this time. The good thing about this method is you don't have to stir in the middle, just leave it like this. Sometimes it takes shorter, other times takes longer. It really depends on your stove. Roughly 40 minutes later, just check the beans. If you can squash this with your fingers easily, then it's done. Well, I'm going to add erythritol, sugar substitute, but you can just use normal sugar. One tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of starch syrup. But these two are quite optional. After that, boil this mixture for 10 minutes with medium-low heat, but this time you have to stir from time to time. Well, I think it's almost done. You can see it red bean whole still, but I like this, so I'm just going to squash a little bit with spoon, not completely. This paste usually gets thicker after it cools down. Well, I think I can make homemade toppings now. When I was young, a classic Patbingsu just used water ice cube, but nowadays milk ice is a kind of trend, so I made it. Just blend this until it becomes like snowflakes. And then put in the bowl like this. Add the red bean paste on top as much as you want. This time I'm going to decorate with some granules and some kind of funny jellies. You can enjoy this Patbingsu with one scoop of ice cream on top. That's my favorite. Anyway, it's done. Well, what do you think about Patbingsu? Would you tell me the popular summer dessert in your country?